Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Tedra Chanel here. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you all a really quick money manifestation technique, okay? So what you're gonna need are a couple of big bills or just one big bill. The more you have, the better, okay? So hundreds, 50s, I would say nothing smaller than a 50 because then you'll be sitting here doing this exercise all night long, okay? So get you some big bills. All right. And then I want you to bring it to the forefront of your mind the amount of money that you want to manifest. Let's say it's $10,000 because that's the magic number. That's what everybody wants to manifest. Okay. So then what you're going to do is you are going to get to know these bills. Okay. You're going to touch. You're going to smell, you're going to examine the bills as closely as you possibly can. Now, we've all had $100 bills, but have you really paid attention to them though? Have we really? I don't know, right? So really get to know the $100 bill or whatever bill you have in your hand, okay? What I want you to do is hold it in front of your face, like so. Hold it in front of your face. Stare at it, stare at it, stare at it, for as long as you feel necessary, and get to know it. Like, what are the numbers? What are the different colors? And then I want you to close your eyes. And I want you to do this over and over again until when you close your eyes, you can actually still see the outline of the $100 bill, okay? So you do that until you're able to close your eyes and still see the $100 bill. Then I want you to flip it over to the back. And I want you to do the same thing. Stare at it, get to know it, become one with the $100 bill, and then close your eyes and wait until you can actually still see it with your eyes closed. You're gonna do that over and over and over again. That part you can't skip. Actually, none of the parts you can skip, but that's going to be very, very important, is really being able to see the $100 bill without seeing the $100 bill. Does that make sense? You need to be able to see it in your mind without physically having your eyes open. Okay, so you want to study it and then you move on to the next step. Okay, so then I want you to, because we can close our eyes and we can see the $100 bill, okay? So then I want you to close your eyes and visualize yourself counting out $10,000, okay? I want you to count it out, stacks of 1,000, stacks of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in your mind. And then you're going to slide that stack over, and then you're going to count another stack until you've hit 10 stacks of $1,000. Or if you want to manifest 100,000, you get where I'm going, right? You're going to need to do this 100 times, okay, in your mind. But let's stick with 10,000 for now because it's not going to take you that long. And I want you guys to just get used to doing this, all right? So I want you to close your eyes and count out these stacks. And I want you to count these stacks over and 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 over again, okay? Now, it sounds like it's gonna take a long time, but it shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes. Once you've really studied the bill, that's what's gonna take the longest, right? But you doing this every night just before bed should not take you longer than 10 minutes, all right? So you want to keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See yourself sliding it over, picking up another stack of money and counting 1 till you get to 10,000. All right? Y'all still with me? Then what I want you to do is to take possession of the $10,000. Okay, so what that looks like for us ladies is we're picking up, eyes still closed, because we create in our minds first, right? This is where everything begins, in our minds. So I want you to still have your eyes closed, and I want you to envision picking up each stack of $1,000, stacking it on top of each other, and then you're putting it in your purse. and then you're walking away, you're going home, or maybe you're going to the bank and you're putting this money into your bank account. Whatever, however, or maybe you're going turn up, which I wouldn't recommend. You know, maybe you take that 10K and you're going to the store and shop. Whatever floats your boat, it's your money. Okay, so do this every single night for at least 10 minutes until it manifests. This is a powerful technique, super powerful. It's old too. It's a very old technique, very powerful yet easy technique that we can use to speed up the manifestation process when it comes to manifesting money. So let's go over the steps one more time. Okay, you're going to get you the biggest bill that you can possibly get. You're going to study it front and back. Close your eyes. If you can't see it with your eyes closed, you're going to open up your eyes again and continue to study. Then you're going to close your eyes and you're going to count the amount of money that you need. Whatever that number is, you're going to count it. And you're going to have fun counting this money. I'm telling you, when you close your eyes and you're counting it, you need to see each bill. You're putting each bill down into these stacks, okay? And you want to count this money over and over again until you're tired of counting the damn money, okay? And then you want to take possession of the money. You do not want to forget that step, because a lot of people forget that step. And then they'll sit and watch somebody else very close to them manifest $10,000. Don't forget that step, okay? So you want to gather up the 10 stacks of 1,000, put it in your purse, put it in your backpack, man, wherever you're going to put it. And then you want to see yourself leaving wherever this space is. You want to leave this space, okay? So let's say you're at a bank and you just pulled out $10,000 and you want to count it, right? And make sure that the teller ain't on no bull, right? And she gave you all of your money. You want to count it, right? So you're going to have to leave, okay? This is you taking possession of the money by putting it in your bag and you're walking away. And then I want you to see what you're actually going to do with that money and connect to the feeling of being able to carry out whatever it is that you want to carry out, because you now have the money, okay? Very simple, okay? Do this every single night until it manifests. Spend at least 10 minutes a night. If you can do it several times a day, even better, okay? The more the merrier, all right? And then I want you guys to come back to this video and tell me what you were able to manifest and how long did it take for you to manifest it. I need to know. All right, my name is Tedra Chanel. I so appreciate you guys watching. Please make sure that you thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with a friend. Comment down below if you've tried this before. But if you haven't, I want you to try it and then come back and give me your testimony. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.